Hello friends, welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today we'll talk about AOC Gaming C27G2Z3 BK 27-inch curved Full HD monitor. So friends, AOC and AGON has announced the AOC Gaming Monitor is 27-inch curved Full HD monitor designed for both competitive and casual gamers. And the monitor offers a 280Hz refresh rate and up to 1 ms GTG response time and 0.5 ms MPRT response time and high contrast fast VA panel with 1500R curvature, and the 1500R curvature of the C27 G2Z3BK enhance the gaming experience by providing an impressive field of view, reducing eye strain, and offering comfortable viewing experience during extended gaming season. And the monitor is support adaptive sync technology and synchronizing the monitor refresh rate with GPU output and they ensure a seamless and fluid gaming experience and comfortable with both NVIDIA and AMD GPU. And the ergonomic design of the monitor include a sturdy and adjustable stand with 130 height adjustable, tilt and swivel functionality and allowing user to mind of the perfect viewing angle, and the slim bezels and sleek design make it visually appealing additional to any gaming setup, and its VESA mounted compatibility offers flexibility and its VESA mount compatibility offers flexibility for wall mounting or multi-monitor configuration. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.